Hi, hope you are doing great. Quickly today, we would love to give an answer to a question being asked by one of our members here on the platform. The question goes thus: is it good, is it okay if I construct a roof over my catfish ponds? Is it okay if I have an overhead structure like we have in our farm over my catfish pond? Is it okay? We would give an answer to that question by dropping an advantage and a disadvantage of having a roof over your catfish pond. The advantage of having it is that it will help protect against direct rainfalls that comes into your pond. As we all know, generally, that rainfall is very, very acidic for your fishes. Pollution of the air also contributes to the acidity of rainwater. We are not saying those that have their ponds outside without roofing it are not doing fine. I have many farmers that have their pond outside without having a structure over it, and their fishes are doing perfectly fine. We are not disputing that fact. The information we are trying to pass across here is that it's just the advantage and the disadvantage of having an overhead roof over your ponds. The disadvantage of having it is that it will slow the growth of algae in your ponds. What are algae? Algae are diverse groups of aquatic organisms that grows in your ponds regularly when there is a direct heat of sun in your pond regularly. Algae is a group of diverse aquatic organisms that grows in your ponds regularly when you have a direct heat of sunlight that comes into your ponds regularly. So if you have an overhead roof over your pond, it might slow the growth of algae in your ponds. Like the way we constructed our farming, we didn't actually roof everywhere in our farm. No, we actually left enough space for reflection of sun to come in. For example, where I'm seated here now, there is a reflection of sun here. So we actually left some place unroofed just because we knew that our fishes would need sun during the daytime. So those are the two points I would likely use to answer that question. And overabundance of algae in your pond also is not always good. It definitely affect your fish. When there is too much of algae present in your pond, it will actually affect your fishes. So how do you control that? How do you regulate that? You just make sure you wash your ponds after every harvest. After every harvest cycle, make sure you wash out the algae, wash out your ponds, in order to maintain the health of the pond and your fishes that are just coming in. Before stocking, make sure you wash out your pond. So I believe with those few points, you should be able to choose which one you're okay with. So thank you for watching this video. If you love what you're saying, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're on YouTube, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're on Facebook, kindly like our Facebook page. If you're on Twitter, kindly follow us on Twitter. Thank you for watching this video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.